Okay, good morning. Hey, so today we're going to talk about cleaning your diffuser. It's super simple and easy. I let mine go a little too long. Some of the oils that have more of a color, like Wild Orange and On Guard, and I love Holiday Joy. And so those will leave a little bit more residue in your diffuser, in the top also. Easiest way to clean it is to plug it in, put, I don't know, like a tablespoon or so. I put my vinegar in here. It's just white vinegar. A little bit of vinegar in the bottom. Add a little bit of water. Not a whole lot, like maybe fourth cup, half a cup maybe. And then set it on your counter. You want to open your window because it will be vinegary smelling for a little bit. And turn it on and just let it run for about half an hour or so. There we go. So just turn it on, let it run for about half an hour or so. And then, I'm going to open my window. Oh, there we go. When you're done, all you need to do is dump that water out and then basically wipe out the inside. That vinegar, kind of like it does with hard water spots, it loosens everything, and so you can just wipe it out. The little element that's in the middle and the bottom, you can use a Q-tip on that. I tend to use a little toothbrush, right, to kind of loosen everything out. I rinse it out, and then it's good to go, and it's all clean again. So that's how easy it is to clean a diffuser. Typically, you want to do it, I think recommendation is like once a week. I'm lucky if I get mine done like once every 2 or 3 months. So, you know, if you feel like something's wrong with your diffuser and it's not running right anymore, I would definitely clean it first and see if that's the problem. But yeah, anytime you get any residue in there, I would just go ahead and clean it. It doesn't take very long. And so super simple. There you go. That's how you clean your diffuser. See you later.